gonna draw a Rubik cube. Let's get started. Wait up. Get the draw. Oh, hey Chucky. Oh, let me draw first, okay? I would like to try to draw. Why don't we do that? Let me finish. Touch it. Oh, that's a good idea. Alright. Oh, then carry on. Alright. I'll come back later. Okay. Thanks, Chucky. Okay, guys, let's get started.
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
It's finished. Oh, that's great. Alright.
This old man, he played
Think-
nine. He
can I
played
say goodbye
knick-knack
now?
on my spine with
Wait.
a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
It's-
This old man
not yet,
came
not yet.
rolling home.
There's one more thing to go.
This old
Yes.
man, he
Oh,
played
Chucky.
10.
Yeah, I
He played
remember.
knick-knack once
Okay.
again with
Do
a
your things,
knick-knack,
Chucky.
paddywhack, give a
Alright,
dog
hold on a
bone.
second, alright?
This old man came rolling home.
Wait, Chucky, what's that? Oh, this is a fairy. I got it from a fairy. There's a fairy one. What? Oh, I I did not get from the witch because she's not around, so I borrowed from the fairy. So let me do my trick right now. Alright, here we go. That 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Fairy dust. Finishing touch.
This old man, he played 4, he played knick-knack,
Like
my
it,
door
guys?
with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Magic.
This old man came rolling.
Yay! Gotta go. Bye. Oh, look at that, guys! Whoa! It's a Rubik cube.
This old man came rolling
Oh.
home. This old man,
But it looked exactly like in the drawing. Oh, it's great. See you next week, guys. Bye.
This old man, he played 7, he played knick-knack, in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.